Atomic Habits, An Easy and Proven Way to Build Good Habits and Break Bad Ones, by James Clear is a highly regarded book that delves into the science of habits and how small changes can lead to remarkable results. The core idea is that tiny, incremental changes can compound over time to produce significant improvements. Here's a summary of the key concepts and principles from the book. Main concepts. 1. Atomic habits. Small habits that are part of a larger system, leading to substantial outcomes over time. 2. The compound effect, the cumulative effect of small habits repeated consistently. 3. Identity-based habits, focus on the type of person you want to become rather than the outcomes you want to achieve. The 4 laws of behavior change. Clear outlines 4 laws of behavior change that can help build good habits and break bad ones. Each law corresponds to a step in the habit loop: cue, craving, response, and reward. 1. Cue, make it obvious. 2. Craving, make it attractive. 3. Response, make it easy. 4. Reward, make it satisfying. The 4 laws in detail. 1. Make it obvious. Implementation intentions, plan when and where you will perform a habit. Example, I will exercise at 7 a.m. in my living room. Habit stacking, pair a new habit with a current habit. Example, after I pour my morning coffee, I will meditate for 1 minute. Environment design, shape your environment to promote good habits and reduce exposure to bad ones. 2. Make it attractive. Temptation bundling, pair an action you want to do with an action you need to do. Example, listen to your favorite podcast while exercising. Join a culture, surround yourself with people who have the habits you want to adopt. Motivation rituals, create rituals that motivate you to get started. 3. Make it easy. Reduce friction, decrease the number of steps between you and your good habits. Example, lay out your workout clothes the night before. Prime the environment, prepare your environment to make good habits easier. Example, keep healthy snacks within easy reach. 2-minute rule, start with habits that can be done in 2 minutes or less to overcome procrastination. 4. Make it satisfying. Immediate rewards, use rewards to reinforce positive behavior. Example, treat yourself to a small reward after completing a task. Habit tracking, keep a record of your habits to stay motivated and track progress. Don't break the chain, focus on consistency by trying to maintain a streak of daily habit completion. Advanced techniques. Inversion of the laws, to break bad habits, invert the 4 laws. Make it invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. Habit scorecard, assess your current habits to understand which ones are serving you and which ones are not. Identity change, focus on becoming the type of person who embodies the habits you want to adopt. Shift your identity by affirming, I am the type of person who. Key takeaways. Small changes lead to big results. Embrace the power of tiny gains and the compound effect of habits over time. Focus on systems, not goals. Systems are the processes that lead to results, whereas goals are the desired outcomes. Identity and beliefs. Habits shape your identity, and your identity reinforces your habits. Believe in the person you want to become. Atomic Habits provides actionable strategies for creating good habits, breaking bad ones, and understanding the underlying mechanics of behavior change. By implementing these principles, you can achieve long-term success and personal growth.